Today we're 3D printing a mechanical Carpenter pencil. This print took 2 hours and 45 minutes and used around 8 grams of PLA. I absolutely love these pencils. They were super easy to print, and I even brought one to work and I use it there too. Tried to go with the OG Ticonderoga pencil style here, but let me know what you think. The 2.8mm lead refills shown here fit nice and snug in the pencil. If you like this video and want to support the channel, please leave me a like and think about subscribing. Thank you for watching.